Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Channel Academy. I'm Ben.
And I'm Laura. Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here today.
Today, we have a very useful topic for you.
Yes, today we are talking about ordering food at a restaurant.
Very important English for daily life.
Yes, you will use this English every day at a restaurant, a cafe, even a fast food place.
That's right. And if you are new here, welcome. Please like this video and subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please subscribe. It's free and it helps us make more videos for you. Okay, let's start.
So, Laura, imagine we are at a restaurant right now.
Ooh, I love this. I'm hungry already.
Me too. Okay. When you sit down at a restaurant, the waiter will come to your table and they will say something like, "Can I take your order?"
Yes, can I take your order? Let's say that slowly. Can I take your order?
Can I take your order? This means, what do you want to eat?
Simple. So what do we say back?
Great question. You can say, I would like. For example, I would like the chicken sandwich, please.
I would like the chicken sandwich, please. I love that phrase, I would like. It sounds very polite.
Yes, I would like is polite and very natural. You can also say, can I have? For example, can I have the pasta, please?
Can I have the pasta, please? Both are perfect. I would like or can I have?
Exactly. Now, Laura, what if you don't understand the menu?
Oh, yes, this happens to me. Sometimes the menu has difficult words.
So you can ask the waiter, what do you recommend?
Oh, I like that. What do you recommend? This means what is good here? What should I eat?
Perfect. And the waiter might say, I recommend the grilled salmon, or the pizza is very popular.
Great. Now, what about drinks?
Good thinking. The waiter will also ask, what would you like to drink?
What would you like to drink? And you can say, I would like some water, please. Or can I have an orange juice?
Simple and easy. Now let's put it all together. Laura, pretend you are the waiter.
Oh, okay. Hello, welcome. Can I take your order?
Very good, waiter. Okay, yes, please. I would like the chicken sandwich, and can I have an orange juice?
Of course. Great choice. See how easy that was? Let's go over the key phrases one more time, slowly.
Yes, repeat after us, everyone. Can I take your order?
I would like the pasta, please.
Can I have some water, please?
What do you recommend?
Say these phrases out loud. Practice them at home. Say them slowly, say them clearly.
The more you practice, the more confident you feel.
That is so true. Even 5 minutes of practice every day makes a big difference.
A big difference. We believe in you.
Okay, everyone, before we go, we have a fun question for you.
Yes, we want to know,
What is your favorite meal? Tell us in the comments below.
is it pizza, pasta, rice and chicken? Something traditional from your country?
We love reading your comments. It makes us so happy to hear from you.
And it helps you practice your English writing too, so it's a win-win.
A win-win, that's right. Okay, everyone, thank you so much for watching.
If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who is learning English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy for more easy, friendly English lessons.
See you in the next video.
Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.